right, Garrett, final test for the evening. This one is not audible, just running off a dummy load in the scope here. I had modified the input of the phase inverter and added some 1.5 kilo ohm grid stoppers. It's the octal power tubes. So let's see what that does for us. The lower trace here is going to be the phase inverter input. Top guy right there will be the output of the phase inverter into the grids of the actual power tubes. Everything's on 12 o'clock. Let's wind up the volume. And here we can see the smaller signal from the phase inverter entry. And at this point, we would have had some clipped upper and lower waveforms here, but it's not the case now. Sorry for bumping you there. Look at that. This is almost 6 o'clock on the volume. This is 6 o'clock. No clipping as of yet. And we're finally starting to get some squaring off of the upper and lowers on that output there. This is about 1 o'clock. Pardon me. Try to stabilize this before I start shrinking them. All right, so we're getting some square tops here and bottoms. Look how nice that looks down there. We're getting some clipping. And that's fully cranked. So I know right now that this is a vast improvement. So let me power this down. I'll wrap this little video up for you. And then when I have an opportunity, we'll make an audio sample.